Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install CyEngine. How to do this, you just type in CyEngine in your search bar, and then you want to click on the green button. Once this loads, there you go, click on that, and then just wait a couple of seconds, click on that, and now you can close it, and it should load for you, and just spam click, it doesn't matter, and then decline here, and then spam click here until it completes. And boom, and we can do a tutorial real quick, and we're gonna do next. Just search for 100. We just get double click on that. 100. That's not 100, but okay. 100, and then okay, 85. Why not? And it's just right there. Some here 85. Sometimes it shows you, sometimes not. We want to put it on 1000. I have to make it infinity. All you have to do a string. Don't matter. And oops, we just want to replace everything here, and then we put plus, and then enter, and boom, now you have infinity, and it's 1 billion. We're just gonna close this, and just thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.